Tired of Creative Cloud? Let's ditch Adobe apps without it in this quick guide. First, let's target individual Adobe apps. Locate the app you want to remove, like Photoshop, directly on your system. On Windows, look in the Start menu. On Mac, check your Applications folder. Right-click on the app icon. See if an Uninstall option pops up, pin the menu if present. Selecting that may trigger the application's own uninstaller. Proceed by carefully following the on-screen prompts. If a direct uninstall isn't offered, or you're on an older system, head to your system settings for Windows. This is the control panel for Mac OS. That's System Preferences. In Control Panel, look for Programs and Features. In System Preferences, it is the Apps option. Find your Adobe product in the list. It will now display as one single unified application. So select the Adobe application. You should now see an Uninstall option. Select it. Confirm the uninstallation. When prompted, the system will initiate the uninstall process. Follow the on-screen instructions. You might have to restart your computer. Exploring other alternatives to Adobe products can be a great option. After you uninstall Adobe, you can perform a search for many free alternatives and select the one you desire, based on which Adobe application you uninstalled. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled your application without Creative Cloud.